back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys today. Today I will be showing you guys how I achieved this purple eye look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So first thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything in place with translucent powder. If you guys are interested in knowing what exact products I like to use, then just go ahead and check out the description box down below. Everything will be linked down there. For today's palette, I'm using my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and whenever I think of doing a purple eye look, I don't know why my mind just gravitates towards this palette. It's a perfect palette to create a purple look because you got your transition colors, you got some darker shades, some pretty metallic shades. So first thing I'm doing is going into that light magenta purple shade, and I'm just applying that into my crease, and I'm winging out that outer corner because we are doing more of a cat eye shape for today's look. Next, I'm grabbing my angled brush and I'm picking up this dark purple shade in the palette, and I'm just going to be applying a line of definition in my crease. And like I always say in my previous videos, if you guys have a hard time figuring out where exactly to apply this line, you can always apply it with your eye open, especially if you have hooded eyes. Give yourself a little bit more lid space. I know everybody's eye is different, so just do whatever complements your eye the best. But this is my favorite technique for my eye shape. And then I go in with a tapered brush and I'm going into that darker magenta shade, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of this line, and it's going to give us a nice gradient. And then I picked up this small tapered brush. It's a little bit smaller than the previous brush that we used, and I'm going into that dark purple shade, and I'm going super close to that line that we applied for definition, and it's going to give us even more of a gradient. Next, I'm going into this brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Cake Liner, and this cake liner is water activated. So I wet my brush with some water, and then I dipped it into that purple eye paint, or cake liner I should say, because it's called cake liner. And then I'm just drawing that and using it to cut the crease a little bit. And then I didn't cut the entire lid, I just went about past halfway, and then I decided to grab that purple metallic shade, and I'm just pressing this all over the lid. And I kind of like how it still peeped through that upper crease area, so it's super subtle but it's still there. And then I decided to pick up my small tapered brush once again with my dark purple shade, and I'm just doing dragging inward motions to that outer corner, and it's just going to give us a little bit more dimension to the look and a little bit more depth. And then I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Black Liquid Liner. This is definitely my favorite liner at the moment. Let me just put that out there. I love it. I love how dark it is, how matte it dries. It's just a really good liner. I love how skinny the felt tip is, so you have a lot of control over how you want to apply it. For lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes. This is our lash company. They are cruelty-free and faux mink, so if you want to support us, link will always be in the description box down below. And then I'm just grabbing my Urban Decay Double Life Liner, my favorite in my waterline. And then I'm going into our first transition color with my smudger brush, and I'm just getting as close to that lower lash line as possible. And I didn't want to bring this all the way to the inner corner, so I just went about halfway. And then I picked up my dark purple shadow in that same palette with this really flat defined brush, and I'm just focusing this on the outer corner. And then I went into my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara to coat my lower lashes. And then the last step for this look, I just picked up my Pixi Beauty Subtle Sunrise Highlight, and I just popped that onto my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to support us. And yeah, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaway, go ahead and give this video a really big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below if you live in the US, because our giveaway is unfortunately US only for the time being. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!